Namaskar, hello everyone. This is me Pooja and you are with MotherWorld, the world where it's your all access solution. कौन नहीं चाहता कि yes Google उन्हें उनके बर्थ पर और उनके स्पेशल डे पर उन्हें विश करे. तो yes नेशनल थॉमस जेफरसन डे जो कि अप्रैल 13 को मनाया जाने वाला है. और yes हम जान लेते हैं कि ये क्यों और किस लिए इतना ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है, जिस लिए मदर वर्ल्ड ने ये प्रैक्टिकल वीडियो बनाया है. अगर बात की जाए नेशनल थॉमस जेफरसन डे के बारे में, तो ये एनुअली अप्रैल ऑफ 13 को मनाया जाता है. द डे इज ऑनर्स द बर्थ ऑफ थर्ड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स Thomas Jefferson, who was born on April 13, 1743. Most known of the primary author of the Declaration of Independence, Jefferson was the stalwart of the democracy. While not much an author, his pen his pen cut quite a swath of ink through the correspondence, documents, journals, and manuscripts. Those who write tend to read. Jefferson was not different. He, in fact, he had a vast library of 615 volumes. Jefferson was not only the lawyer, but he's a scientist of agriculture, biology, and astronomy. Amateur crisis, he kept detailed records in weather and eventually established weather observes across his home state of the Virginia. Jefferson served administrator of France, Secretary of the State of the President, Washington's cabinet, and run to the president of their first time in 1796. Only he is elected vice president of his opponent John Adams due to the flaws of the Constitution. 4 years later, the same fault in the document caused to tie within the same party between Burr and Jefferson, with Jefferson assuming the presidency. Historically, why this day is a very important, so National Thomas Jefferson Day by presidential proclamation 2076 on March 21st, 1938. Franklin D. Roosevelt proclaimed on April 13th as the day is a declared, or we celebrate the birth of Thomas Jefferson. Then again in April 11, 2007, presidential proclamation 8/124 by President George W. Bush commemorated the same day, Thomas Jefferson Day. Presidential proclamation 276 on March 1st, 1938 covers all the succeeding years published on 16 of the August 1637. Yes, थॉम जेफरसन की बात की जाए तो yes, he is a very very good writer and a very उनकी कई क्वेट्स हैं जो कि प्रैक्टिकल में नहीं, बट yes डिस्क्रिप्शन वीडियो में पूजा ने almost सभी चीज कवर किया है. So that's all in this video. Bye bye, take care yourself and don't forget to connect with MotherWorld, as well as don't forget to enjoy this day's National Thomas Jefferson Day, and great person ever. Bye bye.